Hi, I'm Chloe. I'm a training and development specialist with Banter, and I'm here with Madison, who just got her double conch pierced. Let's talk about how to take care of that bad boy.
Fill me in.
So, super easy. It's a lot less complicated than people like to make it.
Okay.
Don't twist, touch, turn, move, or rotate. Okay. Completely alone. Saline solution, 2 to 3 times a day. Okay. No alcohol, no hydrogen peroxide, and nothing petroleum based. So no triple antibiotic, no Neosporin, no Aquaphor, nothing like that.
Okay.
No swimming, no submergence, so no hot tubs, no pools, no lakes, no oceans. We don't want to expose it to any excess bacteria from that water.
Okay.
So keep the showers for the time being.
Okay.
Keep in mind, everybody's body heals differently. Yours might take a little longer than the next person's, but as long as you are taking great care of it, you're keeping it clean, you're not touching it too much, you're not sleeping on it, you're not submerging it in anything, it will do it in its own time.
Okay. So what happens if I notice a little bit of redness or some swelling? What should I do?
Don't panic. Most of the time it's just irritation. You can come in, we'll take care of you. We can't diagnose you, but we can help guide you along your way.
Okay.
And then if you're still convinced that it's infected or anything, you're welcome to go see your doctor.
Well, thank you so much for the beautiful piercing and for making me feel comfortable and confident and answering all my questions.
Anytime.